This is a word problem based on ages. Let us see how to solve it easily. The present age of A and B is in the ratio 1:2. 5 years hence, the ratio of their ages will be 3:5. What is the present age of A? Let us see how to solve it easily. The present age ratio is given as 1:2. And 5 years hence means after 5 years, the ratio is given as 3:5. The condition in ages is difference of ages between two people is always the same at any point of time. Let us see whether that condition reflects in the ratio. In present ages, the difference is 2 minus 1 is 1. After 5 years, the difference in ratio is 5 minus 3 is 2. Here the differences are not same. Here it is 1 and here it is 2. In order to make it same, we need to multiply this with 2 and this with 1. Now the equivalent ratios will be, in present ages, the ratio will be 2:4. And after 5 years, the ratio will be 3:5. The ratio remains the same. Now, if you check the difference here, 4 minus 2 is 2, and here 5 minus 3 is 2. Now the difference is same. Now we can take the same multiple for all the ages. This implies that present age of A will be 2A and B will be 4A, and after 5 years, age of A and B will be 3A and 5A. 3A is the age after 5 years and 2A is present age. The difference between these two is A, which is 5 years. A is 5 years. Present age of A is 2A, which is 2 times 5 is 10. 10 years. This is how we can solve it easily.
If you like our content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.